Today we're going to be working on a strengthening exercise to stabilize the core with this ball here, and we're going to be placing it under the pelvis. So go ahead and lift your pelvis up. You can do this exercise without the ball if it's too much, but if you can, it'll help to give you more feedback to if you're accidentally destabilizing when you reach your legs. Do you feel like it's centered there?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So just lightly pressing your arms into the table here, you're going to take a nice deep inhale, and I'm gonna have you float your right leg up into tabletop on your exhale. Beautiful. And then on your next exhale, you're going to bring your other leg up into tabletop. Perfect. So I want you to just lightly hug your belly button back towards your spine here and feel your tailbone super heavy into the ball there. On your next inhale, you're gonna dip your right toes down for the table, and you don't have to go all the way, just a little dip, and then exhale to float the leg back up to tabletop. And then you'll go to the other side. Inhale as you dip. Good. And then exhale as you float up. So you can repeat this a few times. And where I want you to feel this is in your lower abs. I don't want this to go into your back. If you do feel this go into your back, just think about hugging the belly button back towards the spine a little more, or even reducing your range of the toe taps. This exercise creates a strong foundation for other core training exercises. Good. You can bring your right foot all the way down to the table wrist, and then the left foot back down as well. All right, good job.
Thank you.